Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically, depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon. I'm not really sure about that, but this kind of button, and after that you will simply enter the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of the device and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see all previously opened apps. If you want, you can close only one of it, for example, or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your OPPO Find X5 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.